A disc jockey was shot and injured in Mount Prospect, Manchester on Tuesday morning shortly after he left a party. Residents say about 3 a.m. the disc jockey left the event in Huntley, and upon reaching the neighboring district of Mount Prospect he was reportedly ambushed as the vehicle he was traveling in came under gunfire. The vehicle, a Toyota Vauxhall, crashed during the attack. The injured man was taken to hospital where he has been admitted for treatment. When Observer Online visited Huntley and Mount Prospect mid-morning Tuesday, residents were tight-lipped. They say the disc jockey was booked for a party and that he is not from the area. People were busy clearing the ground where the event was held. 3 men have been charged following the seizure of a firearm and several rounds of ammunition on Mailers Avenue in Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland on Wednesday, July 31. Charged with possession of prohibited weapon and unauthorized possession of ammunition are 33-year-old Colin Anaki, otherwise called Black Boy, of Darling Street in Westmoreland, and Nanny Path, Kingston 11. 26-year-old Jerome Bradford, a livestock farmer and promoter of Mailers Avenue, Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland. 27-year-old Jeremy Wilson, a farmer also of Mailers Avenue, Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland. Reports from the Savannah Lamar police are that about 9:28 p.m., a team of lawmen on patrol in the area observed a group of men standing in a yard. Suspecting that the men were concealing weapons, the police team entered the premises and search was conducted. During the search, a Taurus 9mm pistol with a magazine containing 9mm rounds was found. The gun was seized and the men were taken into custody. The 3 were jointly charged following a question and answer session in the presence of their attorney. Their court date is being finalized.